Welcome back. That's it. The day is finally here. After waiting so long, after wanting it for so long, I finally have a new heat press so I can restart my business. And I've had this for like 2 months now, but it hasn't been opened. So today we're finally going to open it and put it in place because the basement is almost complete. So here goes nothing. Again, this is the brand new edition. This is a Stahl's Stahl's A2Z heat press. It is 15 by 15 inches, and it is a Stahl's, but it's not one of the big daddies that are like $1,500 to $2,000 or more. This one runs about $6.99, about 700 bucks. So I'm really excited about it because I first started off with a Cricut Easy Press, I don't know, maybe like 3-4 years ago. And that was just for like family shirts, for like holidays, trips to Disney, the wedding, our wedding, things like that. And then I upgraded to one of those black heat presses from Amazon that cost like $100, $150. And that went good for a couple of months until it wasn't good anymore. It had like electrical problems. It kept coming apart, and then it just started smelling like smoke, filling the house up with smoke. I cut that thing off. I'm like, I'm not using that anymore. So yeah, so I've been waiting since then to get my business back in order. I have not had my shop open since this summer, sometime like July, August, because I haven't had a heat press plus all my health problems. But now I finally have a heat press. It is a Stahl's, and I'm very excited. So we have an operator's manual. Decorate with confidence, Ultra Weed. Stahl's CAD Cut Ultra Weed. I think this is a free sample in here, maybe? Or no? Oh, maybe this is a free sample. Yeah. Here's a free sample. It says Ultra Weed. Samples enclosed also. Final inspection testing report. That's nice. Cool. Go through all that later. Okay. That is a big daddy cord. Look at that. Heavy duty. Take a look in the box. What's in the box? Wow. She is beautiful. Okay, so I definitely can't lift this because of my pregnancy and everything. So, my lovely handyman over there, my husband Josh. Hey babe, I love you.
For future husbands, they only want something when they say, baby, I love you on camera.
Not true.
Lies.
Not true. So he's going to help me come get this out the box and get it to its new home on my lovely table. It says, get pressing. Right. Test it on your 8. Okay,
is there a way you want me to grab this, Mrs. Diaz?
This is the front, this is the back. And then if you can put it all the way out to as far as to the right as you can.
Give me some room.
Don't pull it by that.
No, I know. I just wanted to get something. Oh yeah.
Oh, she's beautiful.
All right.
Look at this beauty. I love the color even too.
That is heavy. I recommend don't moving that on your own.
It is a swing away. Oh, it swings this way. I wanted it to swing this way.
Oh,
so actually, yep, it's gonna have to go to the other corner, otherwise somebody's gonna get burned. It kind of matches my pillows. A little bit. The rest of this table is going to be for cutting, so that actually gives me quite a bit of cutting space. So I can cut my heat and bond and everything like that. So now I should be able to swing it. So that's the press. Pull it up and swing away. Oh, can you pull it a little bit forward, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, that should do it. Yeah, and then that gives it plenty of room. And then I have, oh, that is nice. Nothing like my little $150 one from Amazon. This gives me plenty of room to work, to put pieces here. Wow, this is, oh, it's so strong. It's so strong. I love it. I can't wait to use this puppy. She needs a name.
Veronica.
Veronica? Why Veronica?
I don't know, it just looks like it suits it. Nothing is more classier than a woman named Veronica.
Oh yeah? What about a woman named Natasha?
Sasha.
Yeah, I think that's the classiest of all names.
Nah. Just, you know, because it has that erotica in it, Veronica. So
Wow.
That's an erotic machine right there.
Erotic machine, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, my machine is erotic and it's classier than me.
Did you see the emotion in you? It was erotic. Like, you feel sexy with the color and everything, right? So, name that Veronica. Like, oh, Veronica. Just, you know, telling you.
I don't think I have another choice now. I guess it's Veronica.
That's right.
Well, there she is, ladies and gentlemen. Veronica.
Yeah, baby. But, you know, you can't sound it with sarcasm. Like, you gotta say it's sexy. Like, hi, Veronica.
Okay, and that was my unboxing video. Stay tuned, because next time I'll use it for the first time. I'll give a little bit of review after I figure out how it works. Read some instructions and plug Big Daddy in. Thanks for watching. Come back soon. Bye.